Hi friends, today in this video we will be discussing the ASRB exam. It is conducted by ICAR for AO and FAO examination, and that was held yesterday, right? That is on 10th May. In this video we will be discussing how was the exam and how was it conducted, what can be the expected cutoff, and will there be any re-exam concept. And why will this re-exam can happen, right? Actually, yesterday on May 10, there was the exam of ICAR for conducting AO and FAO examinations, the preliminary stage 1. And what happened? The ASRB has assigned the centers such as Manipal Institute and some of the private computer institutes for conducting the exam. And it was one of the worst experience for most of the aspirants, as most of the time the server was down. And for some of the students, they have faced the issue of computer. And that's why there is a possibility that ASRB will not cancel this examination, But what will they do? The students who have missed the shift 2 of the examination, they will conduct another exam for them as shift 3. And by analyzing all this, they will release one cutoff, and the result will be released after nearly 1 or 2 months. Now we will try to understand some of the facts and some of the figures in order to guess the cutoff. If you check in Goa, there was the exam in Manipal Institute of Computer Education in Goa, right? What happened in that center? Maximum there were 40 to 50 students per shift. If you consider 2 shifts, it will be nearly 100 students. And in India, I think there are nearly 15 to 20 centers of their own. 15 to 20 centers. If you consider 100 each, it will be maximum 1500 to 2000 students who have appeared for this examination. But as the vacancies are very less, that is nearly there are 44 vacancies, and including that it's overall something 64 vacancies are there for AO as well as FAO, both examinations, right? And as per the notification of ICAR, they will be selecting 20 persons each, 20 for each post for mains examination, for mains. If you go by this analysis, we can expect the cutoff as below. As the paper 1, if you check the analysis of shift 1 and shift 2, the paper was a bit moderate in GK static portion, as there were only some 2 to 3 questions, that too from 2020 current affairs. If you neglect that, the GK was moderate, not too easy, not too tough. And the quant was the toughest part, not very easy, but not too much moderate, but it was leaning towards the toughest part. And if you consider the reasoning part, reasoning was overall okay. It was moderate but not tough. It was moderate. And English part, there were some of the few questions that you can't understand, like synonyms, antonyms, but rest of the English was good. Based on this analysis and based on the number of students present, we can expect the cutoff as below. For GM, out of 200, it may go from 130 to 140 out of 200. And if you consider OBC, as there are number of posts more in OBC, that is nearly 23 something, that means you should come in the top something 400. So here the cutoff will be less for OBC section. It may vary from 110 to 115 or 16 out of 200. Do remember, this may vary as we don't know exact analysis, and it can go from 90 to 100 also. We can't say exactly what may happen in this. It's OBC part. Now we will check the SCST part. as you will be surprised to see that SCST cutoff will be more this time compared to OBC. Why? Because very less posts are there for SC and very less posts are there for ST. Therefore, the cutoff will be nearly equal to general but not exactly general. It will be something 125 to 130, and for ST it will be 110 to 120. That's it, nothing else. So hope you have understood this analysis. Thank you for watching the video. On this YouTube channel, we have prepared a number of playlists, and recently we have released one GK static portion quiz on this YouTube channel. You can watch it. If you want to join the Telegram channel, do join it. The link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please do hit a like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.